Hey there, fellow YouTube enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a little bit terrifying: the Super El Niño phenomenon and its impact on our planet. Now, I know what you're thinking, another El Niño? But trust me, this one is different. It's growing faster than we've ever recorded, and it's not just about warmer temperatures and some extra rain. It's about the potential for widespread chaos and the need for us to pay attention. So, let's get started and explore what this Super El Niño means for our world. First things first, what is an El Niño? Well, in simple terms, it's a natural climate pattern that occurs every few years when the ocean temperatures in the tropical Pacific region rise above average. But this time, it's a Super El Niño, and that means it's even stronger and more intense. And here's the thing, it's growing faster than we've ever seen before. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, is predicting that this El Niño will continue through early 2027, and it's already making its mark. So, what does this mean for us? Well, for starters, it's causing wildfires to burn faster and more intensely than ever before. We're seeing forests in Ontario being torched at a record pace, and BC is dealing with over 110 active wildfires. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? But here's the thing, these wildfires are being fueled by warmer temperatures and drier conditions, which are a direct result of the El Niño. And let's not forget the impact on our atmosphere. The El Niño is causing the air to hold more moisture, which means when it rains, it tends to rain harder. So, we're looking at the potential for more flooding and freezing rain situations. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The El Niño is also affecting the Atlantic hurricane season. According to our friend Anthony Farnell, the season is weaker than usual, with no named storms so far. But here's the catch, the Pacific hurricane season is expected to be very active, with 7 named storms and 2 hurricanes already forming. So, what's going on here? Well, it's all about the wind shear and the constant winds at height that El Niño is disrupting. This means fewer hurricanes in the Atlantic, but more in the Pacific. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. The El Niño is causing global average sea surface temperatures to rise, and we're already seeing records being broken. In June, the global average sea surface temperatures reached 20.86 C, which is way past the records set in 2023 and 2024. And here's the thing, this is expected with the onset of El Niño conditions. So, what does this mean for our future? Well, it's quite possible that Canada sees elevated flooding across the country, and we may be at risk for another active wildfire season next year. And let's not forget the impact on our winters. It's expected to be warmer and drier than usual, which would worsen droughts in BC and Alberta. Now, here's the thing, the strength of the El Niño still leaves much up in the air. We can make forecasts, but we really don't know what the outcome will be. And that's the scariest part. So, what can we do about it? Well, for starters, we need to pay attention and be prepared for the potential impacts. We need to be ready for the wildfires, the flooding, and the changing weather patterns. And here's the thing, we need to take action to mitigate the effects of climate change. Because let's face it, a lot of this can be blamed on climate change, and we need to do something about it. In my opinion, the Super El Niño is a wake-up call for us all. It's a reminder that climate change is real, and it's happening faster than we thought. And it's not just about the wildfires and the hurricanes, it's about the potential for widespread chaos and the need for us to take action. So, what do you think? What are your thoughts on the Super El Niño and its impact on our world? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.